Hey, what's up guys? It's Travel Dude Josh and I'm currently in Okinawa, Japan. I just wanted to give y'all 1 minute. I just wanted to give y'all a tour of my new apartment in Japan. Just a quick little tour so you guys can see what a Japanese apartments look like. And so this is called a 2LDK, which stands for living room, dining room, kitchen. This is the bathroom area. That is where my washer will go when it gets delivered on Friday. It's the sink. This is the bathroom. Well, the shower area right here. Nice bathroom. And this is the toilet area. It is separate from the shower area. It's very common in Southeast Asia that they have the toilet in the shower area, but I prefer to have mine separate. Nice little toilet here. You know, it comes with all the features, the bidet, pretty nice. And this is a brand new apartment. Just got finished last week. And yeah, I'll be the first one moving in here. This is the dining room, living area right here. Plenty of room for me. That's the nice little view I have right here. Beautiful Okinawa. And this is the first bedroom right here, which is not the master bedroom, which this is gonna end up being a storage room right here. Nice, decent sized closet right here. And this is meant to be, from what the housing agency told me, this is meant to be like a child's room, pretty much. Let's go to the back here. More storage space right here. Then here's the kitchen area. My refrigerator will go right there, waiting for all that to get delivered, like I said. And then there's a nice 3-burner stove right there. Plenty storage space. Storage space. Nice sink. Let's see, the water is not turned on yet. It'll be on tomorrow. And a nice counter right here. I might get some bar stools, maybe 2 or 1 stool just for here. But it's just me here, so I don't really need much. And this is the master bedroom right here. Or the primary bedroom, as they call it nowadays. Pretty good size. Nice size. There's the air conditioning unit right there. And there's the window from the primary bedroom. Pretty nice. And this is the part that pretty much sold me on this apartment. A nice walk-in closet. This was probably my favorite part. The kitchen area and then the walk-in closet was definitely my favorite part of this apartment. And this was like, oh, I gotta get it. Like, I was sold once I saw this. But yeah, pretty nice apartment. This will be my 3rd apartment in Japan. I've been living here for a little over 2 years, so yeah. Nice little apartment tour. Thank you guys for watching.